Peace, family. In this video, we will be discussing the law of becoming. And this law says that we cannot become anything in life until we first become it in our mind. So if you've always dreamed of becoming a successful CEO that builds a conglomerate Fortune 500 company, then you must first believe and envision in your mind that you are a successful CEO that builds a conglomerate Fortune 500 company. Because doing this creates a blueprint with action steps that you will take to make sure that you yield the results that you've always dreamed of. You see how that works? Make sense? Now, who we are today is a direct reflection of who we believe we are in our minds. So if we are born with a destiny to create and live in greatness, we won't be able to play full out in that greatness if we have these limited beliefs that tells us the complete opposite. So we must first, again, create the image and the beliefs in our mind, match it up with the emotion, the passion to become that person, and then it will begin to show up in the physical by us walking and becoming that person. See, we are fractal pieces of the universe. And the universe is forever growing, forever expanding in this endless cycle of plenty. So if we're fractal pieces of the universe, that means that we as individuals, as human beings, are always growing, evolving, and becoming. So who do you want to become? Even if you're not the great person that you want to be or that you're destined to be today, in order to change that, all you have to do is change what you believe about yourself in your mind. And I know that these shackles can sometimes be so hard to break out of because many of us, unfortunately, we grow up with people in our ears telling us that we're not smart enough, we're not tall enough, we're not wise enough, we're not beautiful enough. So this creates paradigms in our lives that doesn't serve the purpose that we're here to play full out and live fully in. So sometimes what we need to do is get rid of certain people, pull ourselves away, create this bubble, I say bubble, create this bubble for ourselves and go through the phases and the states of alchemy, breaking ourselves down, leaving the bones and building ourselves back up with the meat. Transmutation, transmuting the things, the particles, the pieces of us that no longer serve us or that's not in alignment with who we are to be and becoming who we want to be, who our soul is thirsting to become. Going back to the law of acceptance, giving yourself permission not only to receive abundance, but giving yourself permission to live your life on your terms and making sure that it is in alignment to serve your highest, best self, and also the highest and the greatest selves of everyone around us. So simply, the law of becoming. How do we activate the law of becoming? It's very simple. Change the images and the beliefs that you have about yourself in your mind, and you will see the subtle changes take place over time in your life. That, my friends, was the law of becoming. So until the next video, next time, be well. Peace, family. Have you recently launched a business, or maybe you need help with shifting certain things in your life? Well, head on over to my website, LavetteMen.com, and schedule your business master plan strategy session with me today. During this 1-hour call, I will listen to all of your ideas, goals, and expectations with building your brand or shifting certain things in your life. And then I will help you to build a strategy around it based on specific universal principles. So again, head on over to LavetteMen.com and schedule your session with me today.